So this, you're hearing the noise, right? First of all, we are eating a little. This is the kind of noise you hear in Nigerian house when there is no power supply. When the NEPA is not there. When the NEPA is not there, you see the gen. This gen na I'm just coming back now. No light, so you must hear this sound. Wait. Let me cook for you now. Bring your spoon. And my baby is very hungry. So you have to eat. Okay. And the stew is the last stew. Hey. So when you don't have power supply in your house, in fact in your state, in this my country, you will be hearing this sound. How do you cope with the sound of generator? You can't even hear yourself. If I should open this my kitchen door, you don't know how to go deep. This one you only want food. Come and carry. Better go and sit down, please. Go there. Come and sit down. So you guys, how are you all doing? I just want to say good evening. The time now is going to 8. So you guys do all you want or watch your premium movie and sleep well. I'm admiring myself. I look cute today. I went out. So you guys sleep well. Now who bought this boy? Finish your food. You just dey eat as if you come out from prison. Yes. I should put what again?
Move away.
Stew. Tomato.
No.
I should put small.
Put stew.
Stew. Should I turn it?
Yeah.
Let me turn everything so that you don't just eat stew. Okay? Carry. I can sit down. Is it me that will sweep where you ate? You're asking me if I did not sweep there. When you finish, you use broom and pack and sweep it, okay? Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Be a good child, okay? Finish your food. Is it very delicious? So delicious. Can you finish it? To eat small now. Give mommy. Should I eat? I hope you're not coming and putting gongo. Thank you.
Delicious.
Yes, it's very delicious. Good job.